actually need to be very slow and cut away from the dog. You don't want to accidentally cut her. So we're just removing the little bit of extra hair that grows, and then it gets in the way of the pads. So she'll slip and slide when you're on like tile floor or wood floor. Just get rid of the excess. So I brush her every day for 30 minutes, but once a week I'll do her grooming. I'll cut her nails and I'll cut the excess hair from her feet, and then I'll do another 30-minute brush. So this is actually the best brush that I've found so far. It's called a furminator. We use it on a golden retriever, we've used it on our German shepherds. It does a really good job because these dogs do shed a lot. Please subscribe and like our videos. On Mondays we're going to try and do a dog video. On Tuesdays we do a food video. On Wednesdays we do either a car or a travel video. Thursdays we do a workout video.